Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to deploy our Flask application on a render platform. So let's first enter to our virtual environment. Our virtual environment is env. So let's open it by env scripts and activate. So here you can see we had entered to our virtual environment, which is env. So first we have to list out all the dependencies that we had required in our project, and that can be done by pip freeze requirement.txt, pip freeze and requirements.txt. So here it will list out all the dependencies in the requirements.txt file. So here you can see requirements.txt file has been created. So let's open it. So here you can see these are the some dependencies that we had needed in our project. So these are the some dependencies that are going to install on a deployment server. So our all files are ready. So first we have to upload our project files to a GitHub. Then we will connect our GitHub to our Intel platform and we will deploy this. So first we have to create a GitHub repository on our GitHub account. So here click on new repository. So let's name it as BigMart prediction. Let it be public and let's create a repository. So here it is. So these are the some commands that you have to follow to push our code from local to GitHub server. So here you can see I had opened a git bash in my project folder. So first we have to initialize the repository in our local system. So it can be done by git init. So here you can see initialize empty git repository. Then we have to add all the files in our repository. That can be done by git add dot. Add all the files and folders to our empty repository. So all the files has been added to our local repo. Let's commit our changes by git commit, and the message will be, let's say, initial commit. Now let's choose our branch as master and git branch, and branch will be master. So let's add our remote branch, which is our GitHub. It can be done by this URL. So let's copy it. So let's add our origin as a git remote add origin and the link. So remote branch has been added. So let's push our code to GitHub by command git push -u and the origin master. So we had uploaded the code on GitHub. So let's try to refresh the page. So here you can see we had successfully uploaded our code, our GitHub repository. So here you can see all the files and folders have been successfully uploaded on our GitHub. So next part is to deploy our web application on render. So let's head back to our render account. So first you have to open your account on render platform. Then we have to head back to new. Then we have to create a web service, which is our Flask application. So here you have to connect our GitHub repository. So let's configure our account. So here I am going to select BigMart sales prediction, which I have created. So let's save it. So we had added our BigMart sales prediction repository to our render platform. So let's connect it. So service name, that is our name of our application. So let's say BigMart sales and branch is master. Directory is our main directory. Then the start command will be Unicorn and main app. So if you see in our requirements.txt file, icon was not specified, so we can add it here. At the end, you have to write unicorn and let commit our change. Let's set back to our render and unicorn main is the name of our Python file, which is the main.py, and app is our instance of our Flask application. So we had choose the free and let's create a service. So the deployment has been started. We have to specify some different versions of NumPy. So here 1.21.6 is the latest one in their platform. So let's update here. Let's commit our change and let's try to deploy the latest branch. So here you can see all the libraries has been installed. Now it will be deployed on render server. So here you can see our application has been deployed successfully and started the service with the Unicorn main app. So here is the URL that has been generated. So let's head back to it. So here you can see our web application is live on render platform. So everything looks great. So in this video we have deployed our Flask application successfully on render platform. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.